Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. We're the Road Less Traveled channel, and today we're in our own state, Oklahoma. And guess what? We're going to Martian Nature Center to go hike around. We're gonna go out to the falls, not really falls, kind of the stream play area. Not really, nice place to eat lunch. We packed our own lunches, so that'll be fun. But yeah, so we will get to you when we're at the entrance of the trail.
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow. The rainbow.
Around Martin Nature Center, you can find some cool facts about, so here it's facts about the white-tailed deer. We have their footprint, and then we have their horn antler here, and then there's just a bunch of different facts, and they're just all around the Martin Nature Center here.
Yeah.
So, we'll keep a fork in the road, and we're trying to get to a good, cool little creek area. But I really don't know where that is, because it's been a while. So we're winging it, and just walking whichever way I remember, I think, or we remember it might be. So this is gonna be interesting. I think I found where we're going.
What?
I remember
Oh, look at that. Oh, Aiden!
that this beautiful, beautiful thing leads to the thing. Where are you going?
Fine, do it your way.
This is what happens when we try to take a beautiful picture. This happens.
Okay, come on.
They're just trying to climb up onto this thing.
Come on!
Ow!
Got it.
I got ants.
Push.
Ow! I got ants in my pants.
I got ants in my pants. Like,
You don't have ants in your pants. Come on.
Put my pants.
What is this?
Come on. You're almost there.
It wasn't the picture we intended for, but we still took the picture, and we're now going on the bridge. I'm leaving them behind because, no. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful, I tell you, beautiful.
Imagine jumping off of that.
There's ants in her pants, everyone.
Just kidding.
Oh, sure she is. I'm going straight.
Okay. Split up.
Goodbye, everyone. Go backwards if you get a dead end.
What if there's a fork in the road at this?
Go the way you think is straight.
We'll just go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Forward, left, right, forward, left, right. Forward, left, right, forward, date.
Or just keep.
I hear a wildlife.
Actually, Mom, kick the bush.
Oh, did you?
like.
Oh, okay. We'll keep you updated if we get a grasshopper.
It's a grasshopper. Right.
Wow. Oh my god. Guess where we just hiked? We just hiked in a big circle. Cause remember this bridge? That bridge right there? And remember how we went straight and then we kind of all went around and came back right here. Yeah, I'm going straight now. I'm mad. I'm also a bit depressed. We just walked forever in a freaking circle. Oh God. I don't even know where we are now. Found it. We found it after 1,000 years. All right, I'll give the camera to you. I'm gonna go play. Goodbye.
We'll just follow them cautiously so that I don't kill myself on the different levels of unsteady ground. Sounds so peaceful. I was like, ooh, way too close. Are you having fun?
Yes, did you give the stick away?
Nope.
Yes, you did.
I didn't. I had it sitting with our stuff, babe.
And they... Hello.
Oh, you're shaking me.
Hi. Can I
Back
take
up.
the camera?
Nope, you gotta back up. Now you can turn around and talk.
Can I take the camera, please?
Nope, not on this rocky craziness.
Yeah, watch me get all the way over there.
Aiden's over there. Let's go that way.
Okay.
Hey, will you grab the bag really quick?
No. Thanks. You wait.
I'm wearing your lunch bag. Let's hope it don't fall.
I really wish I brought my water shoes. Really wish I brought my water shoes.
Water shoes would have been a good idea.
Still not big enough that I don't get my shoes wet, but I'm alright. water shoes would have been great.
Hi.
Hi. Come on, over here.
Follow me into my beautiful home.
Hey, it's our ninja base.
A ninja base.
We're sitting back right here.
Okay.
Ha.
Beautiful and comfy rocks to sit on.
Beautiful and loggy to sit on. Mommy! Better log! Careful! Mom, better log!
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go run around.
Okay.
Hello guys, we just got done here. There in the water place. So we're gonna continue our journey and see. And as you can see, our journey has been led here to an amazing place. I can barely see it in the camera, but that's okay. So we're gonna continue our journey. Come on. As you can see, Aiden is all the way up there. No, there.
Yep. I know. I'm following.
He's there in a garden.
Watch this, everyone.
That's a lot of water. Let me film.
Stop.
So, as you can see, there's a weird area. Can I film? Yes, I can. Oh, you said film. And I'm gonna take you on a journey up there. So I have a camera.
I can't film other people.
So here's the mom.
Maddie, take the camera back to Mom, please. Or to me. Come on.
And we have this amazing view. Oh, squirrel. There's a squirrel. Over here we have an amazing view of this really very pretty lake. See? It's very pretty. So, I'm gonna take you on a journey. Come on, guys.
Come on. Go.
So we're gonna go. You hold it all the way over here.
Hey, Maddie, I have a really good photo. Can I use it?
No.
Okay. Stop. Give it to me.
Bye.
Okay, so that was a
Hello.
quick, fun adventure.
Hello.
So we, actually went the wrong way because it wasn't actually that far from the entrance.
Nope.
I found that out because I led us like all around the park and we could have gone 10-20 feet away from the entrance and have been there.
It was a little further than that.
Maybe
About a
like,
quarter mile
yeah.
from the entrance.
Okay. So last time we were here, this building was under construction.
They have a new observing
Oh, that's cool.
area.
Yeah, so last time we were here, the building we're about to hopefully go into was closed because it was construction and new things were going on to it. We're gonna see if it's open. So,
Look at that. It goes all the way around.
that's beautiful.
And it's got an overlook.
Maddie, should I open the door?
Yeah, no problem. Yep, it's open. I see people inside.
Go.
In we go. My feet are wet.
Cool. Oh, that's funny. Halloween.
Wait, I have a feeling that
These real turtle shells.
its hand just turned.
No, it didn't.
So cool. Here, let's go in here. Who's awake at night? Crickets, and assuming, yeah, that's cool. Big brown bat. Barred owl or barred owl. And obviously the raccoon. Amazing. What's that? What? 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 Oh, yeah, Mom.
Aiden, this is creepy.
It's creepy.
It's beautiful. I love turtles.
Aiden, come here, Aiden. This is creepy. Come on.
What?
This is creeps. Look inside. That's Dad.
Look, so that.
Snake skin.
Okay,
There's
so
a snake skin.
that right there
There's a turtle. They froze a turtle.
is that right there.
I'm gonna put this.
So as you saw, we saw the turtle. Who's that? What cute little animals is that? Yeah? I'm filming all this in here.
Snake.
Yeah, Mom?
Speckled king snake. There's a box turtle over there.
I love turtles.
Yo.
Hello.
Cutie. It's gonna be.
And Mom, I found some cute little two animals curled up
This
together.
is supposed to be a rat snake. I just don't see it.
Oh, under there. Oh, no, under there. It's cool. Hey, Mom, come over here. No, go to the other side. It's cool. It's two little fuzzballs. Look, it's two little fuzzballs.
Oh, those are cute. The prairie dogs.
Mom, they're bobcat skulls.
Oh, yeah. With creepy, crawly, gross things on them.
Oh!
Okay.
Beetles. They've got beetles on them.
That's cool, and this is a good place to go if you guys ever want to go come and experiment.
Prairie dog.
If you guys ever end up in Oklahoma, I recommend you come here to Martin Nature Center in Oklahoma. It's a great place to walk around, observe nature. It's a great place for kids to go out and play.
Hold on, Mom. I want to see
We can go out that way.
Mama, wait.
Or are we going to the observation deck? Okay. So, it's honestly just a great place for kids to, come on down and hang out with because you can meet a lot of other people here too. This is also a great place if just a great place for field trips or a great place if you homeschool to come out and observe nature and teach your kids or whoever you're homeschooling nature and other things like that. Oh! Okay, so I'm on the observation deck while I was talking about that. If you see right out there on that plank, those are turtles. Those are turtles right there. That's adorable. Oh guys, look at that. Okay. So you will be hitting to all the pictures we took right here.
nice shots,
right? Okay. So, anyways, so here is there is also playground. There's one big playground here. It's amazing, and if you're homeschool, during the week is the best time to come out because not a lot of people are here. Really only the people that homeschool are here and people that are doing field trips. But even if you're not homeschool and it's a break, it's still a great place to come because right now it is fall break and a couple of videos will probably be coming out this week.
But today we're doing another video
No, we probably we might do another video today
at Fright Fest.
at Fright Fest. Fright Fest is a so
Fun time for school.
well, Fright Fest is because here, you know how there's like Six Flags. We have Frontier City now officially rebought from Six Flags. Six Flags bought our Frontier City, but for Halloween they're doing like the Fright Fest stuff. So
Way different people blending into the ball.
yep. So you know, it'll be just really fun tonight because today's my dad's birthday. Happy birthday. Anyways, we are back at the tree.
This is where we say
Good.
Call